Okay, guys. So, excuse me. Okay, guys. So this is the piece of acrylic that we're going to be printing. What we did here is we got to have a piece of acrylic with two holes so we can hang this up. We typed up a fonts here. Okay, right. We typed this up, but on this, and we're actually reverse print this. And this little doodad is going to go here on the front. This is going to be a pretty cool little piece. So we've designed here, and it's something we're going to start offering on our website at footstepsinthepast.com. So now you kind of got an idea of what we're going to make. We got to get this ready for the laser. And what I'm going to actually do is I'm just going to take this piece. I'm going to click Control D as in dog. Whoopsie daisy. And we'll pull this whole piece over here. Yeah, there we go. Jeez. Pull this whole piece over here. We'll click right click. And we have that in there. And we'll get rid of that. And hairline. This comes up to here. Control G. Bring it over here. And presso. Move that a little higher, I think. I don't really want these. Okay, so this right here is actually ready to send to the laser, believe it or not. So I want to take over here and I'll delete this. And then we have this little guy right here. And let's change it over to RGB. My laser reads RGB and I have it set for black outline to cut acrylic. All right, so now let's go ahead and move this over to my laser cutter. Okay, so what I'm being told to do is make this bunny rabbit look like it's popping out of the acrylic. So there's a way that I'm going to do that. And I'm actually going to press Control X and cut this. Okay, so now it's copied to my clipboard on my computer. Control A will select everything. And then if we click this button here, we now have a mirror image, which is kind of cool. And what we're going to do is we're going to print this mirror image right onto the acrylic on the back side of the acrylic. Then this is going to be followed up. We're going to print it again. It's a we'll print it again with white over top of everything. So let's give that a shot. Okay, so I have that all done, and then this is what we just printed here. Now we actually want to print a oh my goodness, guys, I can't think. We want to print this all white. So we can turn off the color. Another way that I figured out how to do this is you can just draw a square that is the same size. Let's say 8.5 by 11. Because I click all here, 8.5 by 11. Change this to 8.5 by 11. And I'm going to remove the background color. And we can make it have a color slightly ever so slightly off white. You see here, almost completely off white. And then we will delete this, and I'm going to export this as my white background. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. And then I'm going to undo. Boom. And then I'm going to click paste so we get our rabbit back. And I need to actually highlight all these, create a boundary. That didn't work. Okay, so we don't want to print this again, so I'm going to delete. And let's do this. Delete, and we're going to right click on this frame type. We'll remove the frame. And you still need to keep orientation of this square. So what I like to do is put an outline on here and make this outline 100% white, so the printer won't print anything except for the white here. We'll click File, Export, and then now we got ourselves the bunny print. The bunny print is a little different. I'm going to actually go into Photoshop. The only reason I even own Photoshop is so I can do what I'm about to do right here. And great. Photoshop is not running, not working, so I guess I won't do that. Let's do it this way.